about the concept of Tashmishek Kedusha, that there's 3 levels. There's Kedusha itself, Tashmishek Kedusha, and Tashmishek Kedusha. Okay, so Kedusha itself is like, for instance, Mizot Tefillin. Tashmishek Kedusha, it's things that are for the sake of the Kedusha itself. And in both cases, we have to be careful not to throw it away, but to put it in the Geniza. Now, Ovadia and many others have a very interesting question about a tape recording or a CD that, there's some Divrei Torah. So if somebody wants to throw it away, does he need to bury it together with books? Because there's some Divrei Torah in it. So if that's the case, so maybe you have to put it in Geniza. You have to dig a hole and put it together with all the holy books. So he quotes here a few rabbis that do say that you have to be careful with it if you don't want to use it anymore. But his conclusion is that since it's not noticeable, you cannot see it, you cannot see anything, and he brings here an expert that says that there's 2 machines. Basically, the CD itself has something, and the machine basically is the combination between those 2 things. It creates this voice. Okay, so it's really in it itself. It doesn't really have the name of Hashem and so on. So that's why he says when you don't want it anymore, you can throw it away. And you can also put it in take it to the bathroom. But you have to be careful that nothing is written on it. Sometimes they'll speak about Kiddushat Hashem, and they put like the name of Hashem on the disc itself. So of course that will be a problem. Otherwise, the repertoire that's in this CD, in this tape, you can throw it away, and you can also garbage, and you can put it also in the bring it in the toilet. That's also accepted by the halakha. But if somebody wants to be careful with it, okay, of course he has it's a good thing. But the halakha is that you can do those things, and even if he wants to so to speak delete or erase the name, there's sometimes, I know that we did it when we were children. Don't know how it works today. That you can put on top of it, you can put a different thing, right? It's a double recording, whatever it is. So also he says that it's mutar. It's not really erasing the name of Hashem because it's not noticeable.